part 4 of our final exam review. So, congruent triangles. In order to prove that two triangles are congruent, these are some things you need to know. You either need to know that all their sides are congruent, so that's called side, side, side. Or you need to know that they have a side angle side that are congruent. The angle would be in the middle of the two sides. That's why the A is in the middle. Or you could have an angle, a side, and an angle that are congruent. Alright, so those are just different ways to see if a triangle is congruent. Remember, if it spells a bad word, frontwards or backwards, that's not a way to prove that two triangles are congruent. So it has to be one of these three. Okay, so on these questions, you need to know these keywords. Alright, random sampling means everyone has an equal chance of getting picked. Cluster sampling means you are just sampling a smaller group. And convenience sampling means it's convenient. So the people are literally right there in front of you. And then systematic sampling uses a pattern. For example, every 8th person. Last 4 things that are going to be on the exam are mean, median, mode, and range. So the mean is the what?
The average. Is the average. Median's middle.
And you find it by adding all the numbers together.
Dividing by how much they were.
Yep. And divide by how many numbers there are. What is the median?
Middle.
The middle number in the set of data when you put it all in order. Okay?
Mode is the most.
Mode is the most.
The most number used.
The number that is the number that appears the most. Good. Nice. Okay.
Smallest to greatest.
Yes, it's the difference between the largest number and the smallest number in the data. So you subtract to find the mean.
But is it, wait, in math terms, the difference is adding or subtracting?
Difference is subtracting.
Oh.
Subtract.
Is this it?
That is it. That is the end of our review. So let me know if you have any questions.